Maurice here back for another Power Pack training. Today, we're going to talk about action versus inaction. Okay, we want to discuss the reasons why you're struggling to get SMMA clients and what you need to do to change that. Okay, the reason why 98% of the people on the internet aren't making money in SMMA, Shopify, real estate, SEO, whatever you guys are doing, Amazon, okay, Airbnbs, whatever it is, it all boils down to, are you taking action or are you chilling? Okay. Are you just consuming a bunch of YouTube videos? Are you buying courses or you're not buying courses for that matter? And you're just consuming a bunch of information, because the truth of the matter, ladies and gentlemen, if you want to position yourself to make 10, 20, $30,000 a month, it all boils down to action. Okay, you got to do something. If you want to check, okay, you got to get a job, and if you don't go to that job, they won't pay you. You won't get a paycheck because you didn't trade sweat equity for that money at the end of the week. And it's the same thing with SMMA. The videos and the courses and the coaching is beautiful. You got to do it. You got to invest in yourself. Okay. And if you're not doing that, then you're really selling yourself a false dream. But what it really boils down to, if you could just scratch your head right now and say, Maurice, why is it that I'm not getting clients? Okay. And it all boils down to, did you talk to anybody? See, a lot of ladies and gentlemen, the reason why a lot of you guys don't have clients is really not the information, is you're not picking up the phone, doing what you're supposed to do. You got to pick that phone up. You got to get slapped around a little bit because that's going to happen. All right. You got to get punched in the face. All right. You got to take that rejection. All right. Like a champ. Okay. Because at the end of the day, you're going to get yeses, and those yeses equate to shuck shash. Yeah, I said it, shuck shash. And if you want success, ladies and gentlemen, it all boils down to your activity. Okay, we have to check your activity temperature. When I hire when new coaches come on to hire me, or students come on to hire me as their coach, the first thing that I do is I check their action temperature. And if their action temperature is low, I automatically know the reason why they don't have clients. If you're not making 10 G's a month right now, it's all boils down to action, because the information is there. You're just not taking action. Okay. Now, what's the opposite of action? Is inaction. Okay. Is that you, ladies and gentlemen, chilling, watching TV, eating popcorn, watching Netflix, browsing YouTube all day, looking at all the SMMA videos and on Facebook and Instagram, and you still haven't picked up the phone, you still won't buy the course, you still won't do the things necessary, okay, that's required to make 100 G's in SMMA, because all you need is a few clients, quads the cap. Because, ladies and gentlemen, inactivity leads to brokenness. Okay, if you don't got no money right now, it's because you are not taking action. Okay, here's the thing, folks. I'll just share a quick story with you. A few months ago, I was able to pick up the phone and reach out to a particular type of client. We dialogued, sent them the information, took me on it, got them some leads, and he became one of my clients. And as I thought about this, and this guy's, paying me a ton of money, probably one of my biggest clients, literally probably high six figures. I mean, that's how much we're generating, or he's paying me basically to, take his business to the next level. But as I was thinking about that, ladies and gentlemen, that client was there for everyone that's listened to that training. Why did I get that client and you didn't get that client? Is you didn't take action and I did. Okay, let me say that again. The reason why I was able to pick up literally a six-figure client, okay, ladies and gentlemen, is because I picked up the phone and I reached out to this client. This client was there. You know, if you go back 5 months, 6 months, he was there. He was available, but nobody reached out to him. And I reached out to him, and guess what? I hit the jackpot. Ladies and gentlemen, you don't know where your action is going to lead to. You don't know who you're going to talk to on that phone that can have 5 stores that can literally set you and your family financially free. Okay? You got to do something. Okay? 98% of the people on the internet are chilling. They're in chill mode, especially with this COVID thing, that's going on. All right. Most people are just trying to blow this thing over. It's like, you know what? I'm going to chop 2020 up as a loss. No, I'm not chopping 2020 up as a loss. I'm getting rich in 2020. I'm getting clients in 2020. I've turned the TV off. I'm not watching Netflix. I'm busy prospecting. I'm busy buying courses, getting better, increasing my skills. See, a lot of you guys, the reason why you're not getting clients is your skill set is low. Okay, if your skill set is low, you got to improve it. Your prospecting skill has to go up. Okay, and if you're not getting clients, or if you're afraid of the phone, or if you're saying cold calling's dead, okay, you need to click the link in the description, and you need to sign up for the Instant Client Pro course, where literally I took 7 days and signed up 3 clients. Okay, so if you guys want to copy that and take your prospecting skills, okay, because that's the only way to get better. Okay, is that you gotta upload more positive information in your mind. You gotta upload the right content into your mind so that you can produce at another level. Okay, and so let's go back to this inaction. Inaction leads to brokenness. Inaction leads to procrastination and failure. Okay, inaction is the reason why most people have fears and phobias. You guys want to end fears and anxieties and phobias about the phone, about SMMA or Shopify or Amazon, all these things that are going through your mind? Take action. Okay? You got to take action. And what I want you guys to do is do it now. I don't want you to wait. Okay? I want you to buy the course now. I want you to grab the coach now. I want you to pick up the phone now. Okay, if it's 12 o'clock at night, grab your cell phone and pretend you're talking to a client and he's telling you yes. Okay, because folks, if you have to see it before you receive it, you'll never be prosperous. Okay, because you're going to have to take some risks on the courses, even though you may say, man, I wonder if this is going to work. So what? Invest in yourself. Okay, even if you suck at cold calling, writing copy, or Shopify, or real estate, or whatever it is that you're doing, okay, do it now. Okay, leap and then grow your wings, because a lot of you guys want to see results first. You want fire before you stick the wood in the fireplace. That's not how it works. You have to put the wood in the fireplace, then it'll give you heat. You can't say, give me heat, then I'll give you the wood. And that's what most people are doing in SMMA. They're on YouTube. They want all the free stuff. They want to hit $10,000 a month without investing in themselves and without taking action. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, you're going to suck at it at first. So what? Do it now. Because if you do it now, you could be like me, getting a 6-figure client. Okay, getting 1 6-figure client that literally pays you 6 figures in a year. Okay, that can happen for you through action. The only reason why I got that client and you didn't is you didn't do nothing. But guess what? There's more clients out there like that, but you got to pick up the phone and you got to do it. And if you don't know how to pick up the phone, you don't know how to get SMMA clients, you want to make $10,000 a month, okay, stop spending your money on stuff that's not going to generate revenue and hire a coach. Put it on a credit card. Get the course. Put it on a credit card. Do whatever you have to do. Work double time, overtime. Get the money and invest in yourself. Don't spend it on junk. Invest in yourself. That's how I got where I'm at, making multiple 6 figures in SMMA. So ladies and gentlemen, that's it. Action versus inaction. Which one are you? Are you the lazy person? Okay, let's go back. Is this you, or is this you working? doing what you're supposed to do. And if this is you, ladies and gentlemen, you need to click the link in the description so we can help you get to the next level. So I hope this video has been of immense value to you. Make sure you guys comment below. Let me know what you guys thought. I'll continue to put out these type of videos. Hit the thumbs up. Helps with the algorithm. Let me know you like the video. Make sure you subscribe if you're not a subscribers. I do a lot of videos like this to help you guys make 6 figures in SMMA, get clients, and make a ton of money. My name is Maurice Gear. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.